when we look at the permaculture egg and how we produce a permaculture egg, that's quite a bit different. We might need some metal roofing and metal guttering and maybe a metal tank and some metal wire, but it's not much compared to a chicken factory. So it's a very greatly reduced energy cost on this construction material. We will need some iron and some coal and some steel works, and that needs to be then manufacture these elements, but the power required might actually be so much smaller that we could provide it with renewable energy possibly. Now, these chickens need to live somewhere where they get a great big mixture of food and forage. So they need to be in a kind of chicken forage food forest. They need some hard seeds, which are often your legume seeds, to give them that hard seed protein. They need some high protein fruits like mulberry. They need a green pick of perennial green plants like comfrey. They need to be able to forage through the soil and get insects and elements to add to their live food. And they will need some grit to actually grind up all the hard seeds that they're foraging for. They're much healthier, they live longer, they're less stressed, and they basically have everything they need to live a natural life as a chicken. If we catch the water off their tin roof, they get their perfectly clean water and they produce a permaculture egg. Now there's a difference in nutrition, quality, and of course there are no dangerous chemicals in that egg.